So let's quickly talk about some of the most active stocks that are going on right now. What's going on, team? It's Ricky, and let's do this. Sharing my screen, you guys can see the first one is GME. You guys know that I love talking shit on GME and AMC. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, but guess what? Today it did rip up. I think it's extremely overbought, but it doesn't matter what I think. Again, it gapped up about 12 to, I think, 15% at the peak. It's beginning to kind of lack progress. It's not actively selling off. So as of right now, again, showing slight signs of resistance right around $30 a share. Just want to bring awareness. Yes, GME is up 12.3%. I want to remind you that the whole reason that this thing is moving up is because Roaring Kitty has reestablished himself as he is invested and more now than ever before in this stock. In my opinion, it probably would only take one tweet from him to really send the stock skyrocketing. But again, if that hype ends up fading, you cannot be surprised if then this thing does begin to correct itself. Again, I love talking crap about this, but again, this is, in my opinion, just a momentum play. And I want to talk about it also when it's in the green and doing well for all of you Reddit traders out there. I was going to say something different right now. The other one that I'm also paying a lot of attention to today is Lululemon. So Lululemon reports earnings after the market closes today. And I wanted to ask you guys might be like, Ricky, why the heck do I care about Lulu? Well, again, it's because of its previous performance. Went from $500 per share now all the way down to lows of $304. So it reports earnings today, and it does have a history of exceeding expectation based off of previous earning reports. Its guidance was lowered because of all of its new competition. So it doesn't mean that it has to return back to previous highs, but also I think that today will really kind of be the nail in the coffin and giving us a better understanding of, hey, is Lululemon going to continue to sell off, and is this the end? Or is this a potentially good dip buy opportunity for swing traders or for investors to be able to get in at 300, maybe 320? Again, we don't have to buy in at the lowest price point, but maybe if it does begin to recover today, that can kind of be the spark to its recovery as it tries to make a return back to $400 or $500 price per share. The only other one that I quickly want to talk about is Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree did report earnings today right before the market opened, and it looks like it aggressively ended up selling off. Dollar Tree on the day chart looks very bearish. Lower highs, lower lows, right? But if you look at this on the week chart, I was surprised. It was a strong ascending uptrend pattern. So again, a potential swing trade if you don't think Dollar Tree is done with. If you think that Dollar Tree has peaked and it's going to start to descend from now moving forward, then maybe you want to stay away. But if you think that this could be a good dip buy opportunity to buy at the low 100s and potentially sell at the high 100s, then again, I want to make you aware, but I want to remind you on the day chart, it has been showing signs of lower highs and lower lows. And again, Lululemon reports earnings after the market closes. So if you guys want me to go live, all I ask you to do is get this video to over 500 likes and make sure that it hits 500 likes before 12 p.m. or before 1 hour before the market opens. With that, it gives me enough time to prep for the live stream and then be able to host it for free here on YouTube. And again, all you literally need to do is get this video to over 500 likes and subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so already. If you feel like I missed any stock or you want to share anything with me or ask me any questions, please, I welcome all beginners to send me a direct message via Discord or via Instagram, which is all linked in the description down below. I appreciate your time. Hope that we're in a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.